And cutting across to the details, breaking on the bottom of your screen, Sachin Vase has been sent to NIA custody till the 9th of April. It's a win for the agency that was seeking an extension in Sachin Vase's custody. And now that has happened because Sachin Vase has been sent to NIA custody till the 9th of April. That is exactly what the...
कन्फ्रंट किया जाएगा, उनसे पूछताछ की जाएगी कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, और इसी से मिलते जुलते जो ताल्लुक निकले हैं प्रदीप शर्मा और परमबीर सिंह के, उन सब की भी अब जांच पड़ताल की जाएगी। पूरी तरह से देखा जाएगा कि कहां तक ये गहरा ये नेटवर्क था, कहां तक ये वसूली गैंग जाती थी, किसका हाथ था मनसुख हिरेन के मर्डर के पीछे, किसका हाथ था ये जिलेटिन का वहां पे इंस्टॉल करना। ये सारी चीजें इस पूरे जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उन सब में उभर कर आ रही हैं। और जो सारे जो टॉप कॉप्स हैं मुंबई के, जैसे कि प्रदीप शर्मा, परमबीर सिंह, अब उन सब का भी नाम यहाँ पर सामने आ रहा है। हमें देखने को मिल रहा है कि जो नेटवर्क है वो जी।
All right, Priyanka, they're also speaking to our sister channel Republic Bharat, where she's putting out details of what happened in the NIA special court. But remember, it is a win for the agency as NIA was seeking an extension in Sachin Vase's custody, which has now been granted. Sachin Vase is been sent to NIA custody till the 9th of April. The NIA primarily putting out several evidences in court of what their investigation has led to so far. Also stated that they need 4 more days with Sachin Vase as some very crucial details are now to be sought and the interrogation needs to continue. Priyanka continues to stay live with us. Priyanka, tell us more about what happened in the court and Sachin Vase sent to NIA custody till the 9th of April.
Well, the latest update is that we are getting to understand from our colleague inside, Alisha, who's sending us these details from the NIA court, that the CBI application over questioning Sachin Vase during his custody in the NIA has been allowed by the court. This is massive because now Sachin Vase is also not only going to be questioned by the NIA but also the CBI under the preliminary inquiry that is allowed by the Bombay High Court for 15 days. Sachin Vase is also going to be interrogated. He's going to be asked questions about this entire network of the corruption allegations against the former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who had to then resign after the Bombay High Court order came out on April 5th, after which we had seen a lot of political tremors as well transpiring in this entire state of Maharashtra, which we are expecting to now continue, because now we are not just looking at Sachin Vase being at the epicenter of this entire controversy. Now the entire plot has thickened. We have seen former top cops like Pradeep Sharma, the former Commissioner of Police for Mumbai, Parambir Singh as well, who had been questioned by the NIA officials for more than 3 hours today morning, just hours before Sachin Vase's remand had come to an end. And even as we speak, Pradeep Sharma is still inside the NIA office. He's still being questioned about the entire network of the Vasuli Gate, of the Mansukh Hiren murder, and also of the Antilia bomb scare as well, because inside the NIA court, let us tell our viewers that inside the NIA court, when Sachin Vase had been presented, his team, the NIA legal team, I beg your pardon, had said that there is a large amount of money to the tune of 36 lakh that has been found linked to Sachin Vase in his bank accounts, and this money was directly being used to procure the gelatin that had been installed outside the nearby Antilia as well, and that he had been completely linked to this particular bomb scare case. And not just that, they have presented the argument that Sachin Vase and Mansukh Hiren, just hours before Mansukh Hiren's dead body had been found, were seen together in a public road. That means that the alibi that Sachin Vase was trying to create was superficial, and B, this is a clear link of Sachin Vase and Mansukh Hiren, that they had some contact right before Mansukh Hiren mysteriously turned up dead. Now this also goes side by side with the exclusive police report that we had put out out in the morning that showed that Sachin Vaze had a direct link with Parambir Singh, who was only answerable to Parambir Singh, and he was only being given orders by Parambir Singh, which means now that Parambir Singh himself had been called to the NIA office, we are understanding that the network is getting deeper and the NIA investigation is going towards the truth of the entire matter, because of which now we are also seeing top cops like Pradeep Sharma, former top cops like Pradeep Sharma inside the NIA office being questioned as we speak in this entire matter. And not just that, not just the NIA, now the CBI preliminary inquiry, which had been ordered by the Bombay High Court, after which the then Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had to resign, is also going to be questioning Sachin Vaze. That means the political tremors are only going to get deeper, because remember, when the Bombay High Court order had come out on 5th of April, we had seen BJP making statements saying that there are more heads that are going to roll, and this conspiracy does not just stop at Parambir Singh either, it goes higher up as well. And right after that, we had seen the resignation of Anil Deshmukh, the then Home Minister of Maharashtra as well. So now all of these things are coming together, and as we report from right outside the CBI office, Jayashree Patil, who was another petitioner and the complainant in this entire matter, is inside. She's giving all the evidences to the CBI officers and cooperating with the CBI investigation as well, after which we can expect Sachin Vaze in a day or two as well, who will be called and he will be questioned by the CBI officials as well. So now this is not just about Sachin Vaze, this is about all of the other people who had been connected in this entire network of the Vasuli Gate, of the Mansukh Hiren murder case as well. And slowly as the investigation is going deeper, we are looking at more and more names coming out in this entire scandal.
All right, Priyanka, many thanks for getting us all those details. And of course, like you added, that even the CBI that is doing a preliminary investigation into the allegations against Anil Deshmukh will now also be allowed to question Sachin Vaze on the same. We leave it at that. We keep coming back to you for more updates.